Stop doing boring stuff. Do Bitcoin instead. Let's get those digital wallets ready. Bitcoin, the OG of cryptocurrencies. Imagine your money, but like way cooler and digital. It's like your cash decided to join a rock band and tour the world. So, how does it work? Think of Bitcoin as magic internet money with no middlemen or banks. It's just you, your computer, and some serious crypto swagger. But where does Bitcoin come from? Enter the miners. Think of them as digital treasure hunters solving complex puzzles to earn Bitcoin. It's like playing Sudoku, but with a financial twist. And here's the kicker. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Scarcity, baby? It's like Willy Wonka's golden tickets, but way cooler and, less chocolatey. Worried about security? Bitcoin uses blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger that's unhackable. It's like having a diary that no nosy sibling can ever peek into. Can I buy pizza with Bitcoin? Heck yeah. In 2010, someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, that's worth millions. Talk about a pricey slice. So why should you care? Bitcoin is more than just money. It's a revolution. Join the movement, get in on the action, and ride the crypto wave to financial freedom. Join us at Finance Hub, where we make finance fun and easy. Remember, the future is digital, so don't get left behind.